Today you are going to read a story called Gold Country. It's historical fiction, so it takes place in the past, but it's still pretty realistic to what was going on at that time. As you read the story, you're going to underline at least 5 descriptions that the author gives. So, it's an excerpt from a longer book. It is a little bit longer, but it's interesting because it's a journal entry from the perspective of a teen who travels from China to California during the gold rush. So again, while you read or after you've listened to it, you need to underline at least 5 descriptions. Okay? Oopsies, there we go. So 5 descriptions is what you're underlining. Okay? And then the question you're answering says, this is written in first person. How does this affect the story? So remember, first person is where the author uses I, me, my, we. It's from one person's point of view. It's them telling the story. In this case, writing a journal entry about what they experienced. So how does that affect what we learn, what we hear, what he says, etc.? Okay? So enjoy the story.